Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for tuning in. I don't make too many how-to videos, but during a recent inspection, I discovered an unmarked queen, and that basically turned into an impromptu, I think I actually say that, video on how to use the one-handed queen catcher, which is sold by Mann Lake. You can also pick it up on Amazon for about the same price. But this is some information I wish somebody shared with me during my first few years of keeping bees, because for those first few years I was extremely hesitant at marking queens. I discovered a video on YouTube, of course, of somebody using this exact tool, and I was blown away at how easy it is to use and how easy and efficient it is to mark your queen. So just sharing some information, quick introduction video. Here's a clip from a previous inspection video that I was talking about that shows, to my best ability, how to use this tool. So I hope y'all enjoy. So I guess this will become an impromptu how-to video, how to mark a queen. Let me get everything set up so I can ensure y'all see what I'm doing. So once you get her in the queen marking tool here, you just want to slide the plunger up to the top, work with the queen to get her situated and turned around the right way. There we go. Okay. Mann Lake sells a yellow tool and this blue one, and a few years ago I was trying to figure out what the difference is, and apparently the blue one has some kind of fail-safe stop so you don't squish the queens. But yeah, that's all you want to do. Just slide them up, mark them. I leave the queen in the cage or in the marking tool so the paint can dry and I know where she's at, so she's isolated. And now I can move through the rest of the colony a little faster than I usually would.